Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H7 full beam bulb, remove the closing cap on the grille side. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Remove the light bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Finally, put pressure on the bulb to block it in place. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
To change the H7 tipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, you must simultaneously push inward and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook upwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.